today's look is inspired yet again by another country from Africa where slaves were taken, and the people are called Fulani from Gambia. And I am going to show you a picture. That's my inspiration. So as you guys saw from the picture, the foundation is more on the reddish tone. Because I'm getting tanner now, I am going to be using a darker foundation than what I've been using in the winter. And for me, it's going to be the Maybelline Fit Me 330 Toffee Caramel, and it looks like that. So I'm just pouring that onto my artist brush, and then to get that reddish mud color, I'm just going to scrape this red. And then I'm going to mix it on the brush and then apply it on my face. Hopefully it works out. There we go. It doesn't look as deep and rich as their red does, but it's doing something, so that's pretty cool. For the eyes, to glam them up, I'm going to be using the Pink Bronze by MAC, and this is the pigment color powder. Hopefully you guys can see that. So there it is. Using my Real Technique brush, and this is the detailer brush. It looks like that, guys. Super, super tiny. I'm going to use my melt stack, and today I'm going to be using this color. Let's see here. Unseen. Looks like that. Next, taking my e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush, I'm going to go back into Unseen in my melt stack, and then I am going to apply that to the bottom, just smoke out the bottom. And then for my next color, just to deepen it out a little bit more, I'm gonna use Enigma. Looks like that. Using the same brush with the same amount of color that's on it, and then just a tad bit, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. So using any brush in your possession that looks like that, going into NYX, and this is, let me see if I can get it right, ESB01. It's literally milk. I'm going to be using a neon color because I want this to pop. So using a flat brush, this is C410 flat concealer brush, and I don't know if Let's see here. This is John Cookian, and this is his Metallic Crush pigment. And I am going to be using Shook. So once again with my finger, this is the color I'm going to be using. I just wanted a pop. For some odd reason, I was just like, I just needed a pop. So I'm gonna, aha, there we go. I'm just gonna be using my powder. So I'm gonna go in and using Milani, this is Red Vino 09 brush, and just right here, cut it. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and go into Fenty Beauty. This is Moscow Mule and Ginger Binge. Let me pop it open, maybe that might help. There are the colors. I'm gonna be using like both. I'm just gonna mix it up. So same brush, nothing changed. And I'm gonna go here and bring it up to the dot. And next, I'm going to be using my contour. This is pointed contour brush by Real Technique. Looks like that. I need something pointy. And going into my Fenty Beauty, this is Cognac Candy. Cognac. I'm going to go using this. And I want my girl, my Fulani girl, to be fabulous. So now using my Real Technique, and this is an accent brush. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna take some of the cognac candy and bring it into the eye right here, into the tear duct. And the lips, they just blacked it out. So going in, using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and this is Black Bean, I'm gonna use the small brush and outline my lip. Using my little teeny tiny brush, any brush that you have like this, I am gonna go back into NYX, take a little bit, and I wanna open up my eye, so I'm gonna apply. So here it is. I totally am obsessed. I'm gonna go put the scarf on and my hat on, and then you guys will get the full-on look. Stay tuned. Super stoked about how this came out. Like, I'm freaking out myself, but bye.